Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to use 3 different Teams accounts simultaneously in a desktop with app-like experience. Microsoft Teams is communication platform by Microsoft as part of the Microsoft 365 family of products. Many of us have several O365 accounts for various reasons and need to use 2 or different accounts simultaneously for the reason like consulting, testing or for using the personal account. But unfortunately, Microsoft Teams for desktop is not currently supporting this feature, and only one instance of desktop app can be launched at a time. We can log into the web app and use, but as per the feedback and customer experience, it is not good as compared to the Teams desktop app. The usage of multiple accounts in a single desktop app is a much anticipated future and has been submitted to the Microsoft Teams user feedback in 2017 itself, and Microsoft is still working on this feature and they have released this option for the Android and iOS applications. But in the desktop it is still in the progress and we may need to use the web applications only. As a workaround, what we can do is install a web app on the desktop to treat the Teams with an app-like experience. To install a web app, we need a browser based on a Chromium. So Microsoft Edge and Chrome browser will support the installation of Teams as a web application. To install a progressive web application, go to Settings and then Tools and create a shortcut. So here provide a meaningful name for the shortcut, and I'm providing it as a personal Teams. So and check this, open as a new window. Similarly, go to the Edge. If you want to create additional another account, open it in a Edge using the teams.microsoft.com link and go to the settings and click on apps. Install this site as an app. So this particular Teams is for the consulting organization, so I'm naming it as a consult org Teams and click on install. So it will also create a new desktop app. So click on turn on the notification to receive the notification similar to the desktop app. So these installed application will be available in the start for like a consult organization Teams and also the personal Teams. So we can pin it to the start and we can access it easier. Similar way we can pin this application to the taskbar, and instead of opening the Teams for every time, we can just access it from the taskbar itself. So this is the desktop application. So to open the other applications like personal Teams or for the other organization Teams, different account, we can open it from the desktop itself and we can have a similar user experience like a desktop application. So turn on the notifications. You will receive the notifications in the screen itself, similar to the desktop icon. So thanks for watching.